All right, let's bring the heat, guys. We're going to open up some hockey because we're going Bedard hunting. All right, guys. I got quite a few of these boxes to open up. I'm going to open them up on camera. I'm not sure how many different waves I'm going to do just because I don't like the videos to run too long. But in case magic happens, it's always good to have magic on camera. I don't know if the serial numbers mean anything. We do get the jumbos in here. Gotta remember that too. So get the jumbos. Alex Lafreniere, Jumbo. Put him up there. Let's open up these. Pack feels really thick. All right. I have been in some breaks. Got a shiny coming up of some sort. Dazzlers, Mikhail Sergachev for the Tampa Bay Lightning, my Tampa Bay Lightning. So that's awesome. Uh-oh. Next card. Okay. Well, I don't know if I should open up any more cards. Oh, I've already got these scored. And I'm one pack in. Oh boy. I'm one pack in. And I just hit a Connor Bedard rookie. Wow. Wow. Now I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Like I said, I got quite a few boxes, but I have noticed a lot of people are hitting these at a retail. I kind of said that at the beginning, one of the videos that we were in, Braden Point card, that looks really cool. Victor Hedman, Lightning pack and Bedard pack for me. Lafreniere, that was a pretty serious pack. I mean, oh man, I'm excited. Excited. I mean, why wouldn't you be excited? I still got 2 packs left. All right, let's go to pack number 2 because the box is open, so I'm definitely opening my other packs. I'm not stopping there because I got to pull me a numbered Connor Bedard or an insert, right? That's how these boxes work. They just flow. Yep, there's the flow. Okay. McAvoy, Brazel. Okay. All right, let's see what you got for me, baby. Let's see what you got. I see what you got. Daddy's dropping glossies and young guns and looking for numbered cards. Oh boy. Oh boy. This isn't even a mega. This is just a regular one. Okay. Well, set that there. Let's see if we can pull something crazy like a numbered or clear Bedard out of this because these run. That's how they run. Jackson. No Bedard there. So I'm 2 Bedards for 3 packs. So I'm a super champ. I'm going to end the video right here, guys, because I don't know if I'm going to open the rest of these things. The odds are I'm probably going to open the rest of these things. But fantastic start, guys. Wow. All right, so now that I've recovered from hitting that Bedard, let's go to a mega box. This one's got this little fancy extra plastic on it, so I'm hoping it's going to do something. I don't know if serial numbers are going to matter on this, but I'm kind of showing the serial numbers because I don't trust anybody. Which way does this thing open? Just from the top? I guess so. Get the plastic off of her first. And let's keep going. Because I'm feeling like more than 1 Bedard's coming my way. More than the 2 that I got, but I meant more of the rookies. It doesn't matter, it's my box. I always feel like why am I showing you all this stuff? This pack is an extra? Yeah, exclusive. Okay. That might be the one that people are getting a little extra card in. All right, let's keep it going. All right, keep it going. That one card was upside down at the beginning. So we got a shiny of Marcus, Young Guns Justin Serdiff, Superstars, another Victor Hedman, Bedards we end up with. I've seen people hitting multiple. Okay, we got one of these really nice ones. I'd like that to be a Bedard coming up. I got an Ovechkin. Hughes, be Bedard. Nope. Jack Hughes. These are really cool. I really like this design. I mean, I don't see how you can dislike it. Man, it's super cool. Okay. Excited. Not less pressure on you when you already get one right away, right? Making me dance here, guys. Marner, Eichel. Come on, where you at, Mr. 101? Red to 5, 1 of 1, clear. Bedards everywhere. David. Austin Matthews. And I'll go back through later and really pull out inserts and my Lightning players and stuff like that. Okay. Young Gunsman Turkov. And if I say anybody's name wrong, don't worry about it. It doesn't matter. Alright, one more here, and then we have the exclusive pack. So again, this is how a box can go. Canvas, Gilmore. Alright, let's see what this little special pack is here, the exclusive. Oh, because these are those little, there's Cole. It looks almost like a Connor. Where am I at on screen here? Looks very similar to the Connor. Just because you see smaller guy, Red Wings, not Red Wings, freaking Blackhawks. All right, let's keep it going for another one. And another one. What was that? What's his name says? Khalif, whatever his name is. I don't know. What do I know? Just a guy over here pulling Bedard cards like it's water, baby. A little skinny pack. There it is. Alright, let's start with the skinny pack. It's 3 cards. Alright, this one's a red. Brock Faber. Is that numbered? No, guess not. Red is different though, because it's a variation. Get this plastic out of my way. Ross Colton, Ovechkin, Kopitar. Okay. It's exciting though to pull one of those Bedards like that. I do have a feeling that those two will not be the end for me on the Bedard hunt here. And that's part of the reason I'm ripping still, because you know that 101's still out there, and who says it can't be in resale? Nobody. And again, there's other cards numbered to 5 and clear acetates and sparkly sparkles. There's a Makar that's really cool. Young Guns Lacombe. Luke Hughes Superstar. I like Luke Hughes. There's a Robertson for bobbles. And UD Canvas of Jarvis. Card just kind of felt different the way it came out of the pack. Young Guns, Rotary Lightning, I'll take that. All right, one more pack in this mega. Dazzlers. Like really dark up top. All right, I'm gonna chop these videos up, so I'm just stopping them here and there. All right, gonna go back to the blasters because I got that Connor out of that first blaster, and their numbers run pretty close together on the holograms on the front for the production. And I did, like I said when I was opening them, these Bedards do seem to a lot of times come in waves. I've seen people that are opening up multiple boxes, getting multiple Bedards kind of out of the same run. And you can get a Bedard full-size young gun as well, too. I don't know what those are selling for right now, but it is on the table. You can even see these don't even come in upside down. Gustav Dazzlers, beautiful cards. There's a Bedard mixed with Carlson. Thomas. That one just looks different. Why does that one look different? This is like a different version of this card. It's not glossy on the front whatsoever, and it's chrome. Don't run. Hold on, I want to see something real quick. Let me see this semi-Bedard up here. I just want to see. I know I have one of these other root cards real quick. I don't know why it was just missing the gloss. No, or I'm just not paying attention. Move along. Nothing to see here. Some Bedard stuff. All right. So we got another Bedard, even though it's just him with another. This is the Young Guns checklist, I believe. Yep. So Young Guns checklist is one of those things where this guy could be something and this guy will be something, and woo, yay, a fun card. All right, back into the blasters. Getting more Bedards. Larkin, Hughes. I got a couple more of these blasters too. Eichel, Carte, Young Guns. Nothing else there. All right, let's go to the next blaster. And again, at the end of the day, we don't know who's going to turn out of this product. I mean, I do think Connor's the real deal. How good of the real deal, we'll have to see. There's the other Blackhawk, or one of the others. I saw the Blackhawk briefly. I was like, oh, I gotta wait, because the other guy's cards look just like it. All right. There's another one of those McDavid's. Young Gun of Alex Lafreniere. UD Canvas of Raposki. Stuzel, McCoy, Robertson, that's cool. All right, one more blaster left down here. Young Gun McMahon, C. Keller. All right. It's gonna be the last blaster. Everything else I have after this is megas right now. I didn't get any 10s. I know a lot of people are liking the 10s. I don't care about collecting the 10. I think there's a premium put on the 10 as well, just in case there's a number issue. Matt Murray, Jumbo. Walter Morella again for the Lightning. So I got a double of him now. So that should be okay to get a double of Bedard, right? That's kind of how that works. He was in the same box as the Bedard was. Not the same pack though, obviously. All right. Chinese, Farrell, Krill, Victor. Last pack of my blasters, I believe. Oh, got super shiny coming up back here. Where are we at? Bedard coming up. There's a Kesserling Young Guns. And no, Timo Meyer. These are really nice. I wish they would do more cards of that design. Okay, so I'm going to end this video here and we'll pick it up with some more stuff. All right, coming in hot with a mega box. And I got one more box of stuff left after this to go into. Of course, these things are just like thrown in here too, like 100% thrown in. Bouncing around. Oh boy, there we go. The red Connor Bedard die cut. So this is going to be the variation. All right, I knew there was more. Still feel like there's more. Don't know why, I just do, guys. Don't know why, but I do. I do. All right, that's awesome. There's a card behind it. Don't care, right? All right. See if these things are still running in bunches. Cut. Ovechkin, that's cool. Ward, Young Guns canvas. So let's pull that canvas, Young Guns. Pull that in the Young Guns group. Robertson Glossy. K. Connor. Deep Roots, Lee. Tompkins. Lightning, I'll take that. Dewar, Orbits. More lightning cards. And listen, Upper Deck does a great job with design. They're doing a good job with the inserts as well. Fighter here. I do like what they do. Again, we don't know what else is going to be out of this product at the end of the day after these Bedards. Sogard, Deep Roots, Ovechkin. I don't know if Ovechkin will end up breaking Gretzky's record. I mean, if he does, there's nothing wrong with that. Very cool. I mean, he worked hard at it. He's one of the greatest players ever. But, never know. Okay, Sergachev, Sparkly Sparkles. Young Guns, Porters. Got Robinson here all dressed up for fight night. All right, last pack of this mega box. Seeing if these Bedards are still running in tandems here. Hamm Ichtel. Skinner, no more. All right, so boom, we got this one out of that box. So right now, just to tally up Bedards that I have are these. So I've opened 3 megas and 4 blasters. I'm a base, a checklist, a glossy, and a variation, red variation of the die cut. I think I'm doing pretty good, guys. Let's keep it rolling. All right, coming down to the last 3 mega boxes here. So looking for more Bedards. Bedard crazy. I pull Bedards like it's water. It was cool getting that red variation of the rookie insert there out of this little thin pack. Let's see if we can do it again. Try not to knock everything over. I mean, this stuff's already been bouncing around in a box, right? And these have rounded corners, so you don't have to worry as much about it. It's more this, the black on the back here is where you're gonna have your, oh, there's there's a regular one. Oh boy. Oh, geez. I thought, look, see, this is what I mean. Look how close these are. I just almost thought I had 2 in a row. That's a mean trick. You know they did that on purpose, Billy. All right. Okay. Keep it going here. Let's get ourselves a really sweet insert or numbered Bedard or another Young Guns base. Man. Okay, here we go. Let's keep him over here. Let him be happy with there. There's another one behind there. Of course, back in the day. Let's see what we got. Shiny Austin Matthews. Young Guns of Gagnette. Edvinson, Quinn. Dazzlers, Cole Caulfield, he's great. Dazzlers. I don't know if these are different colors based on just teams. Braden Point for my Lightning. Take that all day long. All day long. Tilly. Aaron, Sidney Crosby. Well, that one really pops. All right, I'll have to obviously go back through these later. All right, see what else we can come up with here. Young Guns of Benson. Oh, don't drop them like it's hot, Mike. Nico Stone. Wonder how at the end of the day these Bedards are going to fare against the inserts for this product as well. Chris Letang canvas. And I'm talking like the ones that are more that, not Dazzler, what is it? I don't know what this one's called. This one, because I know there's a Bedard definitely in this style, which honestly, I almost would rather have that one if I just had a choice of one not numbered. But we like numbered Bedards, right? Let's get a numbered Bedard. I can hit a numbered Bedard. All right, that's the end of that mega box, and now we're on to this one. I did get all these from the on the line, so I didn't get these in store. I know there were some at my local store today, but since I already had these, I didn't feel the need to run out and try and grab some more right now. Obviously, faring very well, so that's a good thing. But I have lots of product here to open up at the house that I've just kind of been sitting on of newer stuff. And since this has just, you know, an immediate reaction to it right now, I figure I'd just start with this product. Red of Corntado and Cooley in relation to Dustin. At least I don't think so. All right, got some Sparkle coming up. I'm assuming these are all, those are Young Guns. These Instinctive are all goalies based on kind of who and what they are and what I keep seeing. All right. I haven't seen any one-on-ones yet online that I know of. Because obviously Bedard, Ovechkin, glaring is awesome. There we go. Roots. All right. Kind of funny when you're scanning through them. Carter, Backstrom, Young Guns, Robert, Pasternak. Got some stacks of cards going up here. Let's keep our Bedard barrage going. Gutman, that's close because I saw that at first. Canvas, Sebastian. I got his Sebastian's Young Guns canvas rookie somewhere that I pulled way back from a blaster. Ovechkin, Colton, Coley. All right, let's see. All right, so we got one more mega left. Let's let her rip, guys. Let's keep the luck going. All right. Let's start with the Thinny Mini again. Faber, Cooley, Savoyts, something like that. I can't pronounce these guys' names. All right, let's see. What we got? Peterson, canvas. Connor Bedard. UD canvas. This is the Canadian Juniors card that they have. So, boom. That's another one. Set that there for right now. Make it rain, baby. Make it rain. Bedard. Casper. Matthews. Again, they come in bunches, so you gotta watch it. They come in bunches. Got some sparkle coming up. I like some Connor Bedard sparkles. Shepard. All right, well, we got 3 packs left here. 3 more packs of this collage of hockey I bought. And I've done very well. Is this second card? That's just the way that board looks up there. Young Guns, Rooks. I don't know how to say that. All right, 2 more packs. Get one more Young Gun Bedard here. Would be nice. I know. Oh, there's an O-Peachy. O-Peachy was followed with that other Young Gun last time. The glossy. This glossy is much better centered than my last one. All right. Last pack magic, guys. 1 of 1 Bedard. Let's see it. Uh-oh, we got one of those fun ones back there. I like me Bedard in that too. Let's see what we got coming. Luke Phillip, Blackhawk. Hughes, and Kelly, not the guy I want. But this is not the point. All right, guys. That is the final box of my rip. Let's see our final tally here. Just a thicker insert because this canvas is a little thicker. Yeah, it fits in there just like it's supposed to. Now we'll come over here, grab this other one. All right, so out of these last 3 boxes, we got a glossy, another, we got the regular version of the Connor Bedard and the UD Canvas Program of Excellence Bedard card as well. We're bringing the other boys here that we ended up with. The red, so I got both versions of that. The Young Guns checklist, which he's on, his actual Young Guns, and another glossy. So we were 6 megas and 4 blasters. And out of that, I ended up with these Bedards. And just this one alone pays for it. So you do have to hit the Bedard. Yeah, I agree with that. But this is something I would definitely consider volume rip if you're going to do it. Again, the 101's still out there. There are cards numbered to 5, 10, whatever it is, clear, different variations, and they all hold premium values now. I recommend buying them. I mean, I do, even though it's a little bit more expensive, built that way on purpose. I don't know what these are going to actually settle at. I honestly don't think you'll see a raw one. 250 would be the low if I was going to say anything. But I think a bunch of them would run 300 to 400 as long as he plays well. It's going to be curious to see what they do in the offseason, though. But this is what I ended up with. Hope you like all the barrage videos and enjoy it. Take care.